Hi, my name is Tanishi Desai, interning for Mary Malone at Caldwell Banker Realty and Luxe Service Groups. I have a passion for law, business, and real estate and hope to grow my skills in order to pursue those type of industries in my future. I also want to be able to share my love for Flemington because when I moved here, I truly loved it. Loved this town more than anything else, and I hope that these interviews that you're about to watch help convince you of that as well. Hi, I'm Tanishi Desai, interning at Mary Malone and her Luxe Realty Group. Who are we with today?
Kimmy,
My name is Kelly. And how are you guys doing today?
good.
We're great. So, what do you guys love most about Flemington?
I like about how there's
Well, we like the events, right, Kimmy? Flemington has a lot of really cool street events that you can go to. They're free, and they have really cool vendors, lots to do, and music. What was your favorite part about the event, Kim?
Rita's.
Rita's Italian.
I love that. I
Always
love
a
that. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tanishi the intern, coming from Mary Malone and the Luxe Realty Group. Who are we with today?
Hi, my name is Sarah Paquetta. I'm the clinic manager at Ellie Mental Health of Central New Jersey, and we are an outpatient mental health service offering individual couples and family therapy to members of our community, and we accept most major insurances and have current openings.
Awesome, I love it. What are some of the other things that you love about Flemington?
The one thing that I really love about Flemington is the close-knit community that we have here and all of the shops and all of the organizations that come out to get together to offer services for our community.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Who are we with today?
Aspen.
Aspen. And how are you doing today?
Good.
So what do you love most about Flemington?
The lightning bugs and butterflies.
I love that. I love that. And are you having fun today?
Yeah.
Yes? All right. That's great. Thank you. Hi, I'm Tanishi the intern. I'm with Mary Malone and the Luxe Realty Group. What's your name?
Danielle McGuire.
And where are we today?
We are at the Beer, Corn, and Tomato Festival in Flemington, New Jersey.
Love to be here. What do you love the most about Flemington?
The community. Everyone is so friendly, so nice, and so willing to help support small businesses just like my own. The Stangle Factory Farmers Market is awesome. It's every Saturday. And just other events like the Sip and Stroll on Thursdays, little events all like that, all up and down Stangle Road. They're awesome.
What's going on over here? I see you're running your own food.
Yes, so we are two Pups Barkery. We sell homemade dog treats, minimal ingredients, human grade, and made with lots of love. Also have some of our merchandise here today. We're just spreading healthy treats for dogs.
I love it. I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My name's Stephanie Lehman-Winarski. I am selling, among some products, I'm also selling my services. I have a massage and aesthetics business. I work out of an acupuncture office. It's called Acupuncture and Holistic Arts. My business is Earth Beauty Essentials, and I offer massage, hair removal, like waxing and whatnot, and facials there. What do I love most about Flemington? I quite love the unity that goes on in this town. Like even something like this, everybody's come out. I've seen quite a few of my clients already.
Hi, I'm Tanishi the intern from Mary Malone and the Luxe Realty Group. Who are we with today?
I'm Kev Von Holt here at the Kev Von Holt Gallery in Flemington, New Jersey.
And what are you selling here?
I sell my own artwork, artwork apparel like tote bags and things like that. And all things art here in Flemington.
I love that. I love that. What do you love most about Flemington?
Well, the community, one. Everyone's so supportive and everyone has each other's back. Plus, it's my hometown, so
Yeah,
it always has that special,
feeling.
great feeling.
Yeah, love that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.